Welcome to the demo video of the French team. Our team is the same as last year, composed of 6 members, all working in IT and air freight operations. During this IATA One Record Hackathon, we developed an application called OneTrack. This application is intended for all technicians involved in the entire logistics transport chain, from the factory to the consignee. The application is connected to the One Record Internet of Logistics, as well as to a DCSA server. Thus, the application can be used in the multi-modal transport scenario, including sea, road, and air transport. We accepted 3 challenges. First, the track and trace challenge. Our app provides a multi-modal common way of tracking. It allows access to One Record and DCSA data and to browse and analyze all events of the entire logistic transport chain. Then, the IoT challenge, by allowing to get IoT monitoring data requested for specific shipments through the One Record API. And finally, we targeted the Open Challenge. Indeed, our application allows the users to access shipment information and to update the status in a user-friendly way simply by scanning a QR code. The app could also provide contextual information in order to improve the daily work of technicians. About our technical architecture, we developed our own One Record server following the latest standard specification. It is connected to another server exposing data coming from simulated IoT devices and provides all data through the One Record API. We added a mapping integration between our self-deployed DCSA TNT server and our One Record server. This architecture allows our OneTrack progressive web application to access data and emit events seamlessly to any domain that could be sea, road, or air through a unique API, which is the One Record API. In order to use OneTrack, first, of course, I need to install the app by browsing track.onerecord.fr. Then, I log in as an operator and I scan the QR code of the container. Then I can directly see special handling information, scroll, expand and show details. Finally, I can scroll up and click on Send Event. That will send the load event, meaning that I confirm the container is loaded in the ship. In the second case, let's say that I am an MSC supervisor here who is monitoring the container in Mouscron after its arrival. So, I log in as a supervisor and I scan the container QR code again. Then, now I can go to the Track and Trace tab by clicking on the Track and Trace button and see all the events details. Then I can go back to the Details tab, scroll down, and load information of a pallet contained in the container. I can see the details of the pallet and go back to the Track and Trace tab, where I can see all the events related to the pallet. Finally, because the pallet contains an IoT device, I can also check the temperature monitoring chart by clicking on the Monitoring tab. Here, I can analyze the temperature records, for example, between departure of the ship and its arrival. For the last case, let's imagine that I am an ASIS customer service officer monitoring an online order made by a customer in Barcelona. So I can scan the laptop QR code, which is on its box. And now if I click and go to the Track and Trace tab, I can see the whole history of the shipment, including all events from its production, including sea transportation, e-commerce phase, and road and air transportation until its delivery. This can also allow me to inform my customer in real time because all these events are displayed in real time. And also, if needed, I can click on a location to see it on Google Maps. That's it. Don't hesitate to try our application, available at track.onerecord.fr.